them all. 3 donuts, round and yummy. 4 rolls warm my tummy. 5 muffins on the tray. 6 pies baked today. 7 tarts, what a treat. 8 buns, smell so sweet. 9 breads, rise again. 10 cakes, hooray again.